Hello, this is Scott Baceno at Broadband World Forum 2016, and I'm talking to Brian Metzger of Nominum, who's talking about ending the digital transformation paradox. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Scott. Pleasure to meet you.
You too. So CSPs, communication service providers, have been in this digital transformation paradox, as you guys identify it. How can you explain that?
Sure. Well, look, Scott, service providers certainly have been caught in this digital transformation paradox. And when you take the time to reflect on it, it's actually a really interesting situation. You know, they've been toiling away for many years, building out the very infrastructure that is enabling this thriving mobile digital economy, where today's businesses are data enlightened and customer agile. And what's interesting is that now the service providers are being told that they need to digitally transform, or else. So the paradox is this: communication service providers created the very infrastructure that's enabled a thriving digital economy, yet they have been unable to capture it, or at least their fair share of it. And at Nominum, as we see it, service providers are now turning the tide, and we believe are well positioned to lead the digital era.
And so how are the CSPs undoing this paradox?
Well, how they're undoing it, Scott, is they're shifting their focus from being network-centric to subscriber-centric. And this is crucial. It's no longer about how a subscriber interacts with a service provider's network. Now the focus is almost entirely on how the service provider can enrich the subscriber's digital lifestyle. That's a substantial shift in thinking and market approach. You know, one of the biggest challenges in accomplishing this is to figure out how to unify the multiple org functions that complete this puzzle in order to gain a holistic and integrated view of the subscriber. And not only of the subscriber, again, it's also of their unique digital lifestyle needs. So ironically, the solution, it's already in their network today. It's DNS. DNS is the fundamental building block of the internet.
And I know that Nominum DNS is a big part of Nominum's business, and I presume you guys figure that DNS is at the heart of digital transformation, so can you tell me more about that?
Sure. Well, look, Scott, quite simply, DNS is the lowest common denominator. It's the one constant that binds core networks, access networks, and individual subscriber behavior all together end to end. DNS completely fuses these three things together so providers can address and service the unique digital lifestyle needs of its subscribers. So here's the thing. Digital transformation requires an all IP infrastructure, one that's supported by a common IP core. All of that is controlled by DNS. It's a lightweight, elegant, and robust technology that is now being leveraged to deliver innovative, personalized services. And best of all, again, because it already exists in provider networks, DNS is easily leveraged without extensive cost or complexity. And that's why we say the road to digital transformation is paved with DNS.
Right, and of course, as I just said, that's a big part of what Nominum does. So can you tell me more about Nominum's role in this?
Absolutely. Let me give a little bit of background, because the market may not be, some of the viewers may not be familiar with Nominum. Over 100 of the world's leading providers in over 40 countries trust Nominum today to optimize and personalize the internet experience for their subscribers. So we're not only a pioneer of DNS, we're the leading innovator. So we have a DNS-based suite of integrated applications. We call this N2. And it synchronizes the digital offers that the service providers want to take to market with the internal people, processes, and systems that all need to work together in order to enrich the digital lifestyle. So we're talking about harmonizing the customer-facing teams, marketing, customer service and support, billing and legal, with the network-facing teams, engineering, operations, and security. So given its position in the network, DNS plays a fundamental role to unify all of these teams with efficiency and cost effectiveness. You know, the best answer to complex challenges, it's simplicity. And often, it's the last place we look.
So do you have any examples of a CSP that might have done a subscriber-first digital transformation project with you?
Certainly, I have a great example. In fact, we've been shortlisted for the Broadband Changing Lives Award with this very example I'm about to share. One of our customers, a tier 1 service provider in the Asia Pacific region, deployed Nominum N2 to accelerate their digital transformation vision. And what they did is they standardized their DNS on our DNS engine. It's called Vantio Cache Serve, and they also deployed our N2 platform and integrated suite of applications. So specifically, they deployed our Engage product family, and this is subscriber safety and personal internet, and they did this to deliver a safe internet experience where the security and protection of their subscribers is a critical priority. Then finally, they added our N2 Reach product line, which is a marketing campaign and in-browser messaging platform to drive adoption for these new services. And the result, an increase in the total number of subscribers on their network, and we're proud to say, one of the highest customer retention rates in the industry.
Okay, well, that's good to hear. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Scott.